They first appeared about a decade ago in the humid skies of southern China. Their rapidly evolving flying capabilities are likely a response to congested ground traffic. Now, each spring over the factory fields of Shenzen in Guangdong province, great swarms rise high into the skies, where they catch a ride on the jet stream winds to fly the polar route into the Rockies. There, enthusiasts gather in order to be the first to spot an early arrival. Some even set out decoys in hope of luring them, or perform a dance to mimic their gyrating flight patterns. And success! High in the sky appears the first, a white female. Perhaps lured by the blossoms of a crabapple tree, or more likely, in need of a refreshing drink from a brook after her long flight. Then suddenly, a large male appears in the sky above. He seems to be looking for company. A smaller, immature male, apparently exhausted from the flight, lands to rest. But the older male knows why he's here and tells the young interloper to buzz off. The mature male is on a mission, but is still curious enough to pause to inspect our cameras. Some are even adventurous enough to be fed from an outstretched hand. Soon, however, the female spots that older male. He flies his characteristic mating jig. The female seems interested and signals him with her own moves. After a while, the female lands and, in an act of submission, feathers her props. While we do have footage of their firmware update, we will refrain from showing it, as this is a family program. Afterwards, the female ascends back into the sky. There she meets up with the male. It's unknown if they have formed a monogamous pair. On that, more research is needed. Meanwhile, the young male knows he's got a lot to learn. But his first season's been rewarding, and he will be returning next season.